Welcome back to Innovian Foods. Today we are making a royal treat, egg chicken Mughlai snacks. Crispy outside, soft inside and full of Mughlai flavors. First take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water. Knead into dough. Rub some oil and keep aside. For the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon onion and 1 green chilli. Saute the mixture. Then add 1 cup chicken, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon garam masala. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes and keep aside. Use freshly ground spices for a stronger Mughlai flavor. Now beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chilli, 3 tablespoon tomato, half teaspoon salt and add the cooked chicken. Mix well. Take some dough, roll it out. Place chicken egg filling. Fold as shown and seal. Seal the edges with a little water or beaten egg for a tight lock. Heat oil in a pan. Fry on medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Don't overfill the dough or it may burst while frying. Always fry on medium heat for even cooking. Chicken provides lean protein for strength. Eggs add essential vitamins and minerals. Onions and tomatoes gives antioxidants. Spices like cumin and turmeric aid digestion. Adding egg makes the filling richer and fluffier. Folding style can be creative: triangle, square or roll. Did you know Mughlai cuisine was inspired by Persian royal kitchens? These snacks were once served in Nawabi feast. Your crispy and royal egg chicken Mughlai snacks are ready. Serve them hot with chutney or ketchup. Perfect for tea time or a family get-together. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and subscribe to Innoven Foods. Comment below your favorite Mughlai dish. We'd love to know.